Hello friends, today I am going to show you how to make a game in Scratch. It is very easy to make. See, when you click on this green flag, the game runs. When you click right key, it goes right, and when you click left, it goes left. See, when you catch the ball, the score also changes. The score is present at the top left corner. So let's stop it and I will show you. I have already inserted the script and today, but I will show you where it is available and what changes you have to make. First of all, you have to select the sprites. For sprites, this bowl, for first you can click here. When these things comes, you can click on things. See, this is the soccer ball and this is the bowl to collect. You can choose anything. You can also choose apple, you can also choose this, anything which you want you can choose. I have already done, so I will not choose anything. So first of all, you have to click on ball soccer. These three, which this and this will take afterwards. First you have to take this one only and insert the script. Here is when green clicked, it is available here. When green clicked, then it is go to random position. Here it is available, go to mouse pointer. When you drag it here, just click on this black one and select random position. Then after that, set y to 180, it is also available here only. See, when you go down, set y to, here 0 is available. When you drag it here, you have to just click on this and you can have to write 180. Then you have to select this forever block. You have to go in control category and select this forever block. Then inside the forever blocks, change y by -5. Again this one, sorry, you have to go in motion block. This is, see, it is available. Change y, here it is 10, but you have to click here and write -5. Then you have to this if then block. Then this if then block will be available here. Then in this empty space, you this green one and this green one will be available here in the operators block. Here it is available. Then in the first one you have to place y position, and in the second one -170. -170 you can write, and y position is also available in the motion block at bottom. See why it is available here. Then after that, again go to random position. I have told you this one only. Then set y to 180, again this one you have to. Then our this finishes. Then after that, the second is when green clicked. I have told you where it is. Then this set score to 180. You don't have to take this script, you have to set this side, just change, you don't need this one. Okay, you leave this, set score to 180 and change score by 1. This will not be available at first. I will tell you how will they be available. Then first you have to go in forever block. I have told you where is forever block available. Then if then block also I have told. Then it is touching bowl. You have selected here bowl, so you have selected here bowl. Then after selecting bowl, you can go here sensing block. If you have selected any other thing to catch, like you have taken bucket, then it will come here if touching bucket, but I have selected bowl, so it will come bowl. See here, touching mouse pointer. See, here your bucket will come if you have selected bucket, but I have selected bowl, so it is bowl. Next is play sound pop. If you want, you can insert sound, but if you don't, you cannot. It is available in the sound at first only, play sound pop. Then after that, this you don't have to insert. I will tell you how to insert that. Then it is go to random position, I have told you, and set y to 180 also we have done. Then you have to go in this bowl. After clicking on bowl, you have to select when green click, then forever block. Then inside the forever, if then block, I have already told you where it is available. Then it is key right arrow pressed. Then it is available in the sensing block. Here key space pressed. Here means here 10 is here na, because if we have written here 10, then if here right arrow is there, then this will go to right, because here we have written 10. Then it is here is left arrow, and here is -10. -10 it will go to left, 10 it will go to right. So you can choose any if you want. I have selected right arrow here, and then left arrow from here. Then here you can change x by 10. Change x by 10 in the motion only. Change x by 10. Change x by 10. Here it is. Change x by 10. Then same here you have to again take if then again this blue one. Then change x by -10. -10 it will take to left, and 10 it will take to right. Then we have finished with all our scripts. Now I will tell you how to insert this score. How to insert this score. It is available here. You have to go into data block. After going into data block, see, I have already created a variable, so you will not have your computer will not show this. So what you have to do is you have to click on make a variable name. Here it is available name. I have written score, so you can write here score, but I have already written. You have to select for all sprites and click on OK. So I have inserted also, so I will not insert. Then after creating this variable, after you have done score, you will click OK. This all will come. Then here you have to select set score to 0 and take it, and you have to insert it here. And the other one is change score by 1. Here it is available, change score by 1. You have to put it play sound pop. So here we have finished with our project. So I will show you. When you click on green flag, you can play the game. See, if you press left, it will go left. If you press right, it will go right. If you collect the ball, it will, if you collect the ball, it will change the score. Thank you friends for today's video.